Good afternoon, guys. Today's topic is 20 foods that naturally help reduce pain and inflammation. So that is today's topic. So here we go. The page highlights 20 foods that naturally help reduce pain and inflammation. Okay, offering alternatives or complements to conventional medicines. These foods contain bioactive compounds like antioxidants, polyphenols, and omega-3s that can support the body's pain relief pathways. The article explains the types of pain these foods may help alleviate, such as headaches, muscle soreness, or pain from chronic conditions. How each food works, including their anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, or circulatory effects. Practical tips for incorporating these foods into your diet safely and effectively. Okay. So, second page. Give me a minute, guys. It also emphasizes that while these foods can be beneficial, they're not a substitute for professional medical treatment, especially for serious or chronic conditions. If you'd like, I can explore some of the foods listed and the science behind their effects on antioxidants help with pain relief by tracking one of the root causes of many painful conditions, oxidative stress. Here's how that works. When your body undergoes stress or injury, it produces unstable molecules called free radicals. These can damage cells and tissue, a process that fuels inflammation and worsens pain. Antioxidants neutralize these free radicals, preventing them from weakening, wreaking havoc. That helps calm inflammation. Which is key for managing pain in conditions like arthritis, muscle injuries, and even headaches. Some antioxidants like quercetin in apples and onions, curcumin in turmeric, and resveratrol in grapes. Also influence pain signals pathways, which may reduce sensitivity to pain. It's a bit like dousing a fire at the source instead of just fanning away the smoke. Would you like to explore specific antioxidants or foods with the strongest research behind them? Okay, pain. Antioxidants are like the body's cellular bodyguards. They don't just protect against pain, they support overall health in remarkably wide ranging ways. Here's how. They reduce inflammation, which plays a central role in not only chronic pain, but also conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and even depression. They protect your DNA and cells from oxidative damage, which is a key factor in aging and disease like cancer and Alzheimer's. They boost immune function by helping immune cells stay resilient when under attack from infections or environmental stressors. They improve skin health by shedding cells from UV damage or shielding cells from UV damage and pollution, reducing signs of aging. Think of antioxidants as the unsung heroes, maintaining balance in your body's internal ecosystem. Would you like to dig into which foods provide the most potent antioxidant benefits? Maybe berries, spices, or teas? Absolutely. Recent studies are shedding new light on how antioxidants may influence health beyond their traditional roles. Here are a few key findings. Chronic disease prevention. A 2025 review in the Internal Journal of Molecular Science emphasized that antioxidants, both from the bodies like glutathione and from the diet like polyphenols and vitamins, can help prevent or manage disease such as cardiovascular conditions. Neurodegenerative disorders and diabetes by neutralizing oxidative stress and modulating inflammatory pathways. Diet versus supplements. A Stanford study compared antioxidant-rich foods to supplements in adults at risk for cardiovascular disease. Interestingly, neither form significantly reduced inflammation markers in the short term. Researchers suggested that benefits might be more evident in people with higher baseline inflammation or over long periods. Oxidative stress crosstalk. Another 2023 review explored how free radicals and antioxidants interact in disease. Development. It highlighted that natural antioxidants, especially from medical no plants may offer therapeutic potential by restoring redox balance and protecting against cellular damage. These findings suggest that while antioxidants are promising, their effects can depend on contexts like baseline health, dosage, and whether they're consumed as whole foods or isolated compounds. Would you like to delve deeper into any of these studies or explore how this ties into cognitive health or aging? I know those are areas you're especially passionate about. Absolutely, antioxidants play a vital role in protecting the brain, a highly active organ that is especially vulnerable to oxidative stress due to its high oxygen use. And rich lipid content. Here are how they support cognitive health. Neutralizing free radicals. The brain generates a lot of reactive oxygen species or ROS during normal metabolism, Antioxidants like vitamin E, vitamin C, and glutathione help neutralize these ROS before they can damage neurons, preventing neuronal integrity, preserving neuronal integrity. Oxidative stress can lead to lipid peroxygenation, DNA damage, and protein misfolding, all of which are implicated in neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Antioxidants help maintain the structural and functional integrity of neurons, reducing neuroinflammation. Chronic inflammation in the brain is a hallmark of, hold on guys, cognitive decline. Antioxidants, especially polyphenols from fruit like berries or green tea, can modulate inflammation pathways and reduce microgels activation, supporting synaptic plasticity. Some antioxidants enhance signaling pathways involved in learning and memory, such as BDNF, brain diverted neurotropic factor, which is crucial for forming new neuronal connections. Slowing cognitive aging. Long-term antioxidant intake has been associated with better memory retention, slower cognitive decline, and reduced risk of dementia in several observational studies. If you're curious, we could explore which antioxidant-rich foods or compounds show the most promising in clinical trials, or how they might complement other neuroprotective strategies. You're already exploring. Want to go there? Okay, guys, so that is A for you. I'll be back on shortly with B. Give me a few minutes to set that up, and I'll be back on with you. For now, Gator Wellness. Take care, folks.